Hello everyone, it's time for some more alternatives for how to say hurry up. So let's begin. Come on, let's hustle. Time's ticking. Let's get a move on. Chop chop, you've got places to be. Quick, quick, let's speed it up. No time to waste, let's pick up the pace. Time's running out, let's get a move on, dude. Hurry it up, we are on a tight schedule. Let's speed things up. No time to waste. Let's kick it into high gear. Times are ticking. Let's hustle and bustle. Quick like a bunny. Let's zoom through it. Rapidly, my friend. Let's make it snappy. Swiftly now, let's dash like a wind. In a jiffy, let's dash and make it happen. Thanks for watching. Follow me for more videos.